Breaking news! Nintendo just dropped a bombshell. The Nintendo Switch 2 is coming sooner than you think. But when exactly? And what can we expect from this next-gen console? Let's dive in and find out. Release date. The Nintendo Switch 2 is reportedly set for a March 2025 release, according to Page Brazil, a reliable source in the gaming community. However, what makes this news even more exciting is the possibility that Nintendo could announce the console as early as August or September 2024. This early announcement would give fans plenty of time to build anticipation and potentially see glimpses of upcoming games and features. If true, this strategy aligns with Nintendo's history of generating hype months before the actual release, keeping the excitement alive until the console finally hits the shelves. Announcement. The design announcement for the Apple Watch Ultra 3 has stirred both excitement and disappointment among fans. Unlike previous models, the Ultra 3 will not feature any significant design changes. It will retain the same look as the Ultra 2, with no new colors or major updates. This continuity in design has left many feeling underwhelmed, especially since the Apple Watch series is known for pushing the envelope with each new release. However, there's a silver lining. The decision to maintain the same design could mean that Apple has focused its efforts on refining the internal components, ensuring better performance and durability. While the exterior remains the same, the OLED display is expected to offer improved battery life, and any new sensors introduced to the Apple Watch 10 will be included in the Ultra 3. As for the announcement itself, there's speculation that Apple may move up some of its planned presentations to the next few weeks, possibly revealing the Ultra 3 sooner than expected. If true, this could be the moment many have been waiting for, giving us a first look at what Apple has in store, even if it's not the groundbreaking design update some were hoping for. Features. The Nintendo Switch 2 is shaping up to be a significant upgrade over the original. When it comes to design, there are rumors of a more robust build, possibly with better ergonomics for handheld gaming. The overall aesthetic may stay true to the original Switch, but expect refinements that make it feel more premium and durable. As for features, the Switch 2 is expected to come with 12 GB of RAM, which would be a substantial improvement over the original's 4 GB. This would enable smoother gameplay, faster load times, and better multitasking. The dock is rumored to include a fan, suggesting that the console might be capable of more demanding tasks, like 4K output when docked. The Switch 2 is also expected to support 256 GB of UHS 3.1 memory, offering much faster data transfer speeds, which is great news for those who want to store large games and media. Additionally, the console is likely to support 4K resolution and NVIDIA's DLSS Deep Learning Super Sampling technology. DLSS could allow games to run at lower resolutions while still delivering a 4K experience through AI upscaling. Lastly, Nintendo is reportedly partnering with big third-party developers like Square Enix and Ubisoft, which could mean more AAA titles and exclusive games for the Switch 2, making it a more appealing option for both casual and hardcore gamers. Games. And what about launch games? We might see a 3D Mario game, Mario Kart, a game from Monolith Soft, and even Metroid Prime 4 as a cross-gen title that showcases the Switch 2's capabilities. The Nintendo Switch 2 is shaping up to be an incredible console. With its rumored features and games, it's definitely worth getting excited about. Stay tuned for more updates and let us know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming news and updates.